हाय यू गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा चैनल देख रहे हैं तो प्लीज टेक अ मोमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। एंड अगर ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब किया हुआ है तो थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, टुडे आई एम क्रिएटिंग दिस simple no makeup look for your daily wear or for office wear or for college wear, and with the brand I recently discovered, which is Inside Cosmetics. Such a great brand in such affordable prices. So I ordered all of them, most of them products, and wanted to try to give it a subtle makeup look wherein, office going girls or college going girls or all the teenager beginner friendly makeup wherein you don't have to invest a lot of price, lot of money, and then also you can create a college going look wherein the people who don't like to do a lot of makeup and still just they want something or the other on their face to look flawless and beautiful. So it's a simple look wherein I use mascara and a little bit of base, and trust me, the products are so much affordable and they're so much beginner friendly and teenager friendly, wherein the people who don't want to invest a lot of their money, but the products are really good for daily wear. It's not a full coverage foundation, but the foundation and the mascara and the liner is good enough, to for your daily look. So I've created this simple look by using all of the Inside Cosmetics products. So if you want to know how I created this, then just please keep on watching. Okay, first thing first, I'm just cleaning my face so that there's no dead skin, there's no dirt and dust on my face. I'm cleaning it with a wet wipe. ओके, सेकेंड स्टेप है, मैं मॉइस्चराइज़ कर रही हूँ अपने फेस को विद दिस जॉनसन्स बेबी लोशन। बहुत ही लाइट वेट है और मतलब ऑयली स्किन, ड्राई स्किन सबको सूट करता है। पिंपल्स हो, कुछ भी हो, बहुत ही सेंसिटिव स्किन को भी सूट करता है। बहुत ही सेफ बॉडी लोशन मॉइस्चराइज़र है। मैं मॉइस्चराइज़ कर रही हूँ अपने फेस को। एंड टुगेदर विद आई एम नॉट फॉरगेटिंग माई लिप्स, आई एम यूजिंग अ लोटस लिप बाम टू मॉइस्चराइज माई लिप्स एज वेल. Okay, next step is this oil free primer is very important in any makeup we are doing because it sets the base for your makeup, for your foundation, for long lasting foundation, and also fills your pores. It is a oil free primer, so it's very good for oily skin type also, and in this budget this is bang on. Okay, this product is my most favorite from the Inside Cosmetics. This is the ultra thin foundation which comes with the dropper. It's so lightweight. It's not a full coverage, high coverage foundation, but it gives such a luminous and hydrating effect, and doesn't hide all your dark circles and everything, but still gives us such a flawless base. I love this product. I'm using a damp हल्का सा गीला करके उसको पूरा निचोड़ दिया this thing sponge, and just dabbing the product in wherein just वो अंदर चला जाए skin में and just looks like skin like. So I'm just applying it in parts and just dabbing the foundation onto my skin. Okay, then this is also a nice product wherein you get a concealer, corrector, contour in one palette, and which is also budget friendly. So I'm taking 2 shades darker concealer under my under eyes wherein I have a lot of dark circles, around my mouth, around my nose to cancel out the darkness. And this palette has all of it. So it has an orange corrector, 2 shades of concealers, a contour, which is such a great thing. I'm taking the same sponge and dabbing the product in wherein just to cover my dark circles, not going full look. It's just little bit hiding the dark circles and giving a base, a smooth even skin tone all over the face. Next is this translucent powder to set my face because I have a lot of oiliness going around my eyes, in the T-zone. तो उसको set करने के लिए concealer को everything, I'm just applying this translucent powder to set the under eyes, set the base intact ताकि वो ज़्यादा long last करे. I'm taking a brush and with the help of the brush I'm just dabbing the product around my eyes, around my nose, जहाँ जहाँ मैंने concealer लगाया to just set all things up. Okay, now I'm using this Inside Cosmetics eyeliner. It's a nice brush. बहुत ही आराम से wing बन जाता है. It takes a lot of experience to create a wing, but in this budget I highly recommend some of their products, which is foundation, the concealer palette, this eyeliner, and the mascara. All of their products are really good. So if you're a beginner and you don't want to invest a lot of money, try their eyeliners, try their mascaras, and also the base and the foundation is really good and dewy. Next up is this mascara, which again I told you it's good, gives a nice curling to the lashes. I'll mention every product. They are available on Nykaa and on their website. I'll give the links in my description box so you can go and check it out. Nykaa Pink Friday sale is going on, so you might get some good discounts. The mascara is also good. The wand is really nice in this budget. Love it. Okay, so now this is my favorite part, the lipstick. I love lipsticks, be it any lipstick, any brand, but this is the shade Joyful. I ended up ordering randomly. The price is really budget friendly, which is rupees 75 or 95, I don't remember. But the shade, look at this shade. This is so subtle. Matlab har din, every day I use every day this shade. You know, it goes out with almost everything. So I did not have the Insight highlighter, so I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome, which is in molten gold, which is my favorite, just to add a little bit of glitter and shine going on there. They have the highlighter also. I've not tried it, but you can if you want. It's available on Nykaa and on their website. They do have highlighters also. So I have one more shade, which is this soft rose. If you're not into nudes or chocolate brown colors, you can try out this color also. If you like pinks or reds, this is also a nice color, which is soft rose. It looks really good on the skin. बिल्कुल matte हो जाता है थोड़ी देर में, and all of their lip shades and the nail paints also are really good and very affordable. So this is the shade soft rose, which I really like. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also I will see you in my next video with more makeup looks and more product recommendations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and take care.